Guys, good morning and happy weekend. Today is Saturday. If you are hearing noise, you guys, because I know you guys can hear noise, they are walking around my area here, just close to my house. They are clearing all the grasses that is around there. I think it's the government that is sending these people. They've been doing it for like 2 days. Just those small tiny grasses that will be in between walls. That's what they are using machines to clear. So I'm cooking fried rice. It's been long I had fried rice, so I want to prepare fried rice today, and I just brought out the things I want to use. The ones I used the last time. My carrot is here. I bought some gizzard, and I want to air fry this turkey. Just put 200 degrees centigrade. Then this one, let me just put it for 40 minutes, 40 seconds. You guys, this is Diana's feeding bottle. Let me remove them from there. So these are the stuff I want to use. I know I did not tell you guys. I bought this slicer. Is this slicer? Veggie slicer, yes. This one. Finally, I've always wanted to buy one, but for some reason I'll just be like, no need. But now I really need it. See, if you're a mom of 1 or 2, or you're a mom, you don't have anybody to help you to clean the house, you don't have anybody to help you to cook, you don't have anybody to help you to carry your babies. You guys, the time you will have when you were single and now that you're a mom is different. Any single space, any single time I have, I want to rest, I want to engage in one thing or the other that is important to me. So I don't want to be sleeping in the kitchen anymore. Now I have decided in this year, every kitchen appliances that will make me do fast in the kitchen and will ease my stress, I will buy them. Yes, starting from air fryer, this one I just got, and some other things for baking. I'm going to buy them by the grace of God. Just let me have space that I will be keeping them. I will buy them. See, this one is 16 in 1. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I've started using it. I've been using it, but this is the particular one I'm using. This let me show you guys inside. This one that I'm using, it doesn't come with the smaller parts. It's different one. There are 24 in 1. This one is 16 in 1. So although it still cuts big, not very tiny, because me, I like my veggies to be very tiny, but it's manageable. I will not sleep in the kitchen. That is the bottom line. So I finally got this slicer, and that's what I've been using. Let me start cutting my veggies. Maybe I'll just show you guys, because I don't want to stay long in this kitchen. My husband is helping me to carry Diana, so I want to be fast with everything. So first thing first, I'm going to wash all my vegetables. Now I'm just bringing out the tools I'm going to use to slice and scrape the back of the carrot. Then I will head over to wash the amount of carrots and veggies I'm going to use. I'm going to use salt to wash them, as you are going to see in the video. Then I will scrape the back of the carrot. After scraping, I'm going to just open the carrot into two and remove those strong stuff that is in between carrots. I really don't like to use it in my fried rice because it's very hard. So whenever you are frying it, it's not going to soften a bit. So when you are eating it, it will look as if you are eating raw carrot. So I normally remove that. As I was cleaning my carrot, I was also using the opportunity to parboil my rice. So I was trying to wash the rice. This particular rice I'm using has a lot of starch, so I'm just going to wash it over and over and over again until the water turn clear. So I'm done washing the rice and I'm going to just pour it back into the pot, and it's time to add my key ingredients for the fried rice. So first of all, I'll add curry. Then I added the fried rice ingredients, which is that green mango or so, the green ingredients. Although I didn't capture that moment, then I was putting water bit by bit. Is warm water. Then I put my mango, salt, pepper, everything I want to use. So I put some off camera and I've also edited some parts out because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'll just put the water to be at the same level as the rice. My air fryer is already saying I should turn my food. Let me just put this one on the fire. Everywhere is messed up here. I will have to finish everything I'm doing before I will clean up. If not, hey guys, this my air fryer is so fast. See, I have to turn. Look at it. I have to turn it. Yeah, that's like just flip it over. Very fast. Anything wey go make me sleep for kitchen, I don't leave am for getter. There is no award for who suffer pass. These people, they are really making noise. Which kind of noise be all this one? So I'm done flipping it. Just want to put it. I want to put it back. My turkey is ready. Turkey is ready. Just the way I want it. So brown. I want to start arranging my vegetables because my rice is almost ready. So this is basically how it is. So I'll just add it to this one here. Hey guys, my rice is ready. Just for me to finish slicing these vegetables, then start frying the rice. Just the same thing with the carrots. It's not even up to 2 minutes, guys. I am done. See, my carrot is ready. Mommy's in the house. Get this slicer. It just makes your life easy. Like, it makes everything look seamless. Cooking fried rice, I'm always running. Although I love it too, I'm always running. I'll be like, beg, I not just fit cut ingredients. I'll have to be disturbing my husband to help me. But you see, with this slicer, you just do everything once and for all. I really love it. So if you are like me that love fried rice and you don't have strength to cut ingredients, just get it. although it cuts in bigger size, and I like my veggies smaller than this, but I will still manage it. I'm very hungry. The rice is ready. The pot over there, I'm going to wash them up later. But let me risk this one. I don't know if this thing can cut gizzard though, but let me not risk it. Let me use my hands. I'm not that lazy. Let me use my hand to cut the gizzard. I'm done cutting. Now I want to start frying. This is the favorite part because after frying you just know that you are done from the kitchen. Apart from those two pots I need to wash, I'm done. So my special fry pan. I don't know why this thing refused to on. Can you imagine? I just on the I was holding the lighter. I just switched it and this thing just on. And I did not use the lighter. Anyways, it's all good. I just finished cooking. Let me reduce this thing. I just finished cooking, guys. It's exactly 11:59 a.m. Just almost 12 o'clock. So I finished cleaning and cooking. So this is my fried rice. My fried rice is ready. I wanted to just make like a little bit of fried rice. I even told my husband that I would just make a little because of this summer. But look at, I ended up making a whole pot of fried rice. This summer is very, very hot. The summer did not come on time, but now the weather is very hot. So my gas is also clean. See? I want to go and take my shower before I come back to eat. See you guys in the next one. Bye.